In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN on your iPhone. First, go ahead and open the App Store. In the search bar, type OpenVPN and hit search. You'll see an app called OpenVPN Connect. Tap on Get to download it. Once the installation is complete, open the app and allow all the necessary permissions. Next, open any internet browser and search for VPNBook. Tap on the first website that appears, which is VPNBook.com. From here, select Free VPN from the top menu. Scroll down until you find the free OpenVPN section. Choose any of the VPN bundles listed and tap Download. After it downloads, tap on the download icon located in the bottom menu and then select Downloads. Open the downloaded file, and at the top you'll see the VPN zip file. Tap on it to unzip the contents. Then open the VPNBook folder and choose any of the VPN files inside. Tap the Share button at the bottom right and select OpenVPN. Now tap Add. Here, you'll need to enter the username and password. To find these, open your browser again and scroll to the very bottom of the VPNBook page. Copy the username and password into the appropriate fields. Make sure Save Password is enabled, then enter the password as well. Once both fields are filled in, tap Connect. When prompted, press Allow, and then enter your iPhone passcode. As you can see, the VPN is now connected, and that's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out.